Use authentic social influencers to tell the story of your brand. People are using Instagram to learn how other people live. They are not actually using the app for brand advertisements alone. That is why the best strategy for business today is to use user-generated content or real content from real people. Using UGCs for your Instagram ads is an authentic way for you to tell the story of your brand and deliver the persona of your brand to your audience. Using social influencers can effectively create inspiring imagery. They can tell your brand's story and easily connect your brand with your audience at an emotional and informational level. As a business owner, know that Instagram ads is a powerful tool that you can use to show your brand's real story to your audience, and then show them what your brand can do for the people who are using your brand. It is a given that all brands want to have more exposure online, and Instagram ads using social influencers is one of the greatest strategies that can boost your brand's presence. Social influencers give your business a better chance of gaining more leads. Working with social influencers for your Instagram ads can help you optimize brand awareness, get more conversions, and a higher ROI. Here are some common benefits of social influencers for your business. Improve your search ranking. The face of social media marketing has already changed over the years. It is not only keyword marketing that can have an impact on your SERP rankings. When you are working with famous social influencers who use your brand, people will more likely search for these social influencers. There is a high chance they'll learn about your brand. Curation meets authenticity. The greatest impact of adding relevant stories on Instagram through social influencers is that it will add more depth to your story. Influencers can provide your audience with a glimpse of life behind your brand. They can share unfiltered and direct views that are more authentic than just letting them watch simple ads. Solve content marketing and advertising needs. Whether your business is already established or still at the startup stage, it is necessary to create Instagram ads or content that is consistent, unique, relevant, and authentic. Using social influencers to improve your Instagram ads helps you solve your content marketing and advertising needs. Collaborating with real people can greatly attract the attention of your audience, and they'll be more likely to get interested in the advantages of using your brand. Using authentic social influencers to tell the story of your brand on Instagram can help you build strong networks as well as more engagements. This personal approach is effective when directly targeting massive audiences. With the help of social influencers, your target audience will be interested in your brand and will be more loyal to your brand.